This video is about assembling and managing your expert consultant green team. After an experienced architect has interviewed the client, walked the land, done a thumbnail sketch of what the client wants that might fit there, and done a quickie look-see peek on the governing jurisdiction's website, that architect's going to know what team of consultants needs to be gathered to get together to move to the next step. And that's quite often the surveyor who makes the map of the land, a geologist, a soil engineer, a civil engineer who's fluent in low impact development, sustainable sites, which is all about drainage and integrated water management and sanitation systems. And you're going to need the structural engineer early on to make sure the design can really stand up. And you're going to need a handicap consultant. Remember our hierarchy of equal importance pentagram. The second wave of consultants is going to help move the project through the entitlement process. And that's going to be archaeology consultants, biotic, watershed, riparian, traffic, noise, and acoustics to address stakeholder concerns. Then the third wave of consultants more commonly comes in when you're making your working drawings for a building permit, and that's going to be your energy calculation consultant, your electrical engineer, your lighting designer, your interior designer, and the fire sprinkler design build consultant. All of these consultants are important like spokes on a bicycle wheel because they all have different expertise that needs to be integrated into the project.